Explain to you how it works. So, if I have a pension fund, oh, it's off again, sorry. If I have a pension fund, okay, my pension fund, it is still not on. There it goes.
It's getting there.
So, my pension fund is the total that needs to be paid to the fund itself. In other words, for the privilege or the thing that's the benefit. Right. So now you have the worker. Right? Here's the worker. And it doesn't matter what fund it is. Let's say it's the pension fund. So the worker, I will take from his salary. So here's his salary, his gross. I'm going to take from it what I call a deduction. Right? So that deduction goes to the pension fund. I myself, I'm the employer. Do you get a thing like a work key? Yeah. So the employer is going to contribute from his profit also to the pension fund. So can you see, in the end, the deduction is going to influence the net, because it makes what the guy that's working for you put in his pocket, it makes that less. The contribution is going to make my expenses more. Okay? So let's quickly see. Number one, the deduction will make the net less. The contribution will make expenses more. The deduction and the contribution will make the fund more. And can you now see? This is balance sheet. The pink there is balance sheet. And I so wish someone would give me my blue one back. Or I must just not go buy one.
Or just still Google it.
And my expenses is income statement. Right. You guys get it? So in other words, I'm going to write this for you as well. I'm going to say to you, the gross and the contribution is income statement. The net and funds is balance sheet, payable. Just remember, payables is what we're going to pay. Okay?
Samantha.